Welcome back. This is continuing our journey on inspect, send, and sell, and there's a reason this last step is sell. It is because you don't just inspect and send and hope. You have work to do yet. Let's take a look at how we can engage the customer in the sales process, leveraging our DVI results very, very simply. Depending on your workflow, this is where you're going to immediately see some of the value that the Autoflow workflow can bring, because you're going to be able to see where things are at in a linear process. We also have the color coding here. Remember, blue was an inspection that's not been completed yet. Orange means that is an inspection that has been done. Well, yellow means that it is an inspection that has been sent but has not yet been opened. Now, when customers open that will turn green. Let's take a look at how that will appear. When the customer opens their inspection, they'll see this, a big blue button that says View Inspection. On a mobile device, it'll be there as well, just a little smaller. Hit View, and that's what's going to trigger that view reply inside of Autoflow. So if we take a look back on our main screen and refresh it after that button's been hit, you'll see that that DVI button is now green, and you can see the exact time that they opened it. There's even a blue button in here that's going to allow you to see what the customer has actually clicked on and looked at inside of their DVI. This is all very useful information, and it's going to allow me to know when I'm ready to click the button into the next step. In my case, I use the workflow. In your case, you may use the text button to say, hey, Mr. Client, we're ready to discuss the repairs. You simply type the message to them. But in my case, I do it with the click of a button, and I have a timer. And this is generally the guideline. Within about 5 to 10 minutes, this customer should be calling me because I just sent them a text that asked them to call me. And now I can, when the phone rings, have my digital inspection open, and I'm ready to discuss the items that we found wrong inside of the DVI with the client on the phone. From here, my advice is to go into the text email button one more time and use this preview option. When we're talking to the customer on the phone, we should be able to see exactly what they're looking at and guide them through the key points of the inspection, prioritizing any of the repairs or services that are needed. And that's very simple to do. These icons are going to help you see any tagged items that are related to their main concerns, a great spot to start in your conversation, and of course, any details that we have inside of here beyond that. This is a demo DVI. I'm sure yours are going to be much more thorough. The main thing I want to guide you to now is the yes/no toggles inside of the DVI. Click these filters. Use these during your call. This is a great way to trim up what you're seeing on the screen, and anything that is marked red or yellow that gets approved by the customer in your conversation, make sure you start tracking that. And if they don't approve something, maybe they say they'll take care of that transmission fluid later, leave that unmarked. The Autoflow follow-ups are going to help us get scheduled appointments from these items, even if we do fail to get the approval for whatever reason during today's visits. Don't fret on that point. All right, folks, so that covers the main portion of the process. When we're moving through the workflow, it's just a simple matter now of communicating when we're ready for the technician and other items as we move along the way. The workflow can help you communicate. The digital inspection will help you sell. Everything should feel a lot more efficient as you become more familiar with the tool. We'll have more videos for you on some more detailed topics. We hope this has been helpful to get you started efficiently. Thanks for watching.